Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you where you can sell your items or products online. Well, if you're selling something digital and at the same time, or if you're selling a product, then definitely Shopify might be the one for you. So Shopify is an all-in-one. So you can sell different things here, maybe digital products or an actual physical item. Shopify can do it for you. So as you can see here, you can create your own online store here. You can sell in multiple places. It can help you sell on social media, on online marketplaces, and you can manage your products, inventories, and payments all in one. And the best part is it has a free trial. So if ever you are interested in selling your products, you can definitely try this for free. And if you like it, usually their pricing are very affordable for like their subscription. Next, if you're planning on selling digital products, Wix might be the one for you. So if you're in a bit of a creative niche, for example, if you're selling digital files, then definitely Wix is something you want to look at. It's on demand right now. So yeah, if you're interested in selling digital items or digital products, then definitely check out Wix. Now, of course, we have good old eBay. eBay, of course, remains on top of our list. You can sell a lot of different things here, mainly tangible products. So you can sell either refurbished items or new items, or you can sell items that have been slightly been used, items without any boxes, or items with damaged boxes or packaging, the like. It has millions of buyers online. At the same time, it's accessible to different countries as well. And that's it. Those are our top three picks for applications that you can sell your products to online. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.